Why do I go through the whole
Anisha
process?
Mathur joins us, our chief legal correspondent now. She was inside court number 2 when these hearings were going on. Anisha, take our viewers through why and the logic behind the judge giving 24 hours to these parties to file replies.
Well, Rahul, the judge, the Supreme Court has not given time to these parties to file reply. The Supreme Court has given time to the centre and the Maharashtra governor to file a reply within 24 hours. What they've said is that any consideration with regard to what is happening and with regard to issuing of an order for the floor test has to be on the basis of the letter sent by the governor inviting Mr. Fadnavis to form the government, and as well as what were the documents shown by Mr. Fadnavis to the governor. So now the Solicitor General has been asked as a representative of the central government to produce all of these documents before the court at 10:30 tomorrow. What is interesting, however, Rahul, is despite the fact that yesterday evening this petition was filed, and what Senior Advocate Sibal and Singhvi have said is that they sent copies of their petition to the MHA, the Maharashtra government, as well as Mr. Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar. Nobody actually appeared to represent the government. The Solicitor General made a very clear statement in the court that I have not been briefed by the MHA or by the Maharashtra government. I am appearing here because a copy was sent to me in my capacity as the Solicitor General for India. So we've seen here a very strange move, and in fact politically it seems to be a very canny move that you do not send anyone to the court just to buy time, and that is why the court, because there is no document in front of the court, they're saying show us what the governor's decision was based on, show us these documents at 10:30 in the morning, and then we will decide on what is to be done next.
So does that mean that they will pass an order tomorrow, Anisha? Does it mean that tomorrow the order will be passed?
But there's no way of knowing that.
Is that the likelihood?
What Rahul just said, there is no way of knowing what will happen tomorrow, but what will definitely happen tomorrow is that the centre and the Maharashtra government have to show what documents the governor's decision was based on. One very interesting argument that was also raised this time by Mr. Mukul Rohati, who is appearing interestingly for MLA Ashish Shelar, as well as two independent MLAs who are Prakash Awade and Mahesh Baldi, who are independent MLAs. Now, what they are saying is that the governor's order simply cannot be challenged. You cannot have any argument once the governor has taken his decision. It just has to be a floor test. But the floor test, please give us more time to hold this particular floor test. So a very bizarre argument being raised in the Supreme Court here, Rahul.
Okay, so that's an absurd argument.